नहमदहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा. If sa and sofa is added to mudare present tense, then it will give the meaning of will. If qad is added to madi, it will give the meaning of have or already. If qad is added to mudare present tense, then in Quranic Arabic it will give the meaning of certainly, and in modern Arabic it will give the meaning of might. Al-fail al-mudare present tense. Recall that fail al-mudare is used to express actions occurring in present tense or future tense. In terms of usage and sentence structure, all the rules of al-jumlatul failiya apply when it comes to al-fail al-mudare as well. When it comes to al-fail al-madi, only ending changed. Now ending and beginning of the fail changes depending on the pronoun when it comes to fail al-mudare. Memorize all of the af'al in the chart along with their corresponding pronouns. Huwa yansuru, huma yansurani, hum yansuruna, hiya tansuru, huma tansurani, hunna yansurna, anta tansuru, antuma tansurani, antum tansuruna, anti tansurina, antuma tansurani, antunna tansurna, ana ansuru, nahnu nansuru. Notice that al-fail al-mudare always begin with one of the four letters. They are hamza, ya, ta or noon. The haraka on these letters can be fatah or dhamma. Whichever it is, that haraka will remain the same throughout the chart. Remember that you are looking at the beginning and the end of each fail to determine the inside pronoun. Use the following code to help you. When start is with ya and end is with u, this is Howaf version. When start is ya and end is ani, this is huma. Start with ya and end with una, this is hum. Ta and u, this is hiya. Ta and ani, this is huma, female. Ya and na, this is hunna, female. Ta and with u, this is anta. Ta and with ani, this is antuma. Ta with una, this is antum. Ta, ina, anti. Ta, ani, antuma. Ta, na, antunna. A, u for ana. Na, u for nahnu. There are some haruf that are associated with al-fail al-mudare. Al-fail al-mudare differs from al-fail al-madi in that it can take on different statuses or forms. Recall that when it comes to the ism, there are certain haruf like harful jar and harful nasab that can come before it and change its status. Similarly, there are certain haruf that can come before fail al-mudare and affects its status or its form. This is not the case with al-fail al-madi, which never changes. Al-fail al-mudare can take on three forms. They are normal, light and lightest. Normal is called as marfu, light is mansoob and lightest is majzoom. Normal, this is default form of fail when there is no harf affecting it. Light, this is the form of fail that takes when affected by al-harufun nasiba lil mudare. Lightest, this is the form that the fail takes when affected by al-haruf al-jazima lil mudare. Let us learn how to construct light and lightest form. Memorize the chart an, to, lan, will not, likai, so that, in order to, hatta, until, to the point or so that. Memorize this harufud nasiba lil mudare along with their meanings. Likai is a compound harf. The lam can be used on its own and so can kai, or they can be used together. The meaning remains the same. La or kai. Hatta can come before fail madi as well. In this case, it means until or to the point that. Since al-fail al-madi does not change, the harf has no effect. To make the fail light, mansoob, if ends in dhamma, changes it into fatah. If ends in ni, get rid of noon. The hunna and antunna form always remain same. Hunna means all ladies and antunna means you all ladies. When it's about all ladies, then the form will remain same. Yansura, yansura, yansuru, tansura, tansura, yansurna, tansura, tansura, tansuru, tansuri, tansura, tansurna, ansura, nansura. Yuridu an yukhrijakum min ardikum. He wants to expel you all from your land. Haruf effect the afal after them. An effect the yukhrijakum. Kullan yanfakum al-firaru. Say, fleeing will not benefit you all. Lan will affect yanfaakum. Lightest version is al-haruf al-jazmiya lil-mudare. Memorize al-haruf al-jazmiya lil-mudare along with their meanings. In, if, lam, did not, lamma, yet not, wal, and should, fal, then should, li, should. In can sometimes effect to fail and gives an if then meaning. Lam gives a past tense meaning, did not, despite the fact that it comes only before a fail mudare. Also know that lamma can come before fail madi. In this case it means when and has no effect on the fail. To make fail lightest, majzoom, if it ends in dhamma, change it to a sakoon. If it ends in ni, get rid of the noon. The hunna and antunna forms always remain same. All ladies and you all ladies always remain same. Yansur, yansura, yansuru, tansur, tansura, yansurna, tansur, tansura, tansuru, tansuri, tansura, tansurna, ansur, nansur. In tansurullaha yansurkum. If you aid Allah, He will aid you. Notice that inna is affecting the two words yansurkum and tansuru. Lam yunazzil bihi sultana. Lam affects yunazzil. He did not send down any authority for it. Lamma yaduku adab. Lamma affects yaduku. How to recognize a light and lightest fail in present form? Hoa, hiya, anta, ana, nahnu. That originally had u if a fail ends in sakoon or fatah. Huma, antuma, hum, antum, anti. That originally had na ends in alif, waw or ya. Hunna, antunna, na, remain same.